The Department of Labor and Industry Construction Codes and Licensing Division, or DLI, licenses and regulates construction work in Minnesota. The Enforcement Unit investigates complaints to determine whether violations of the state laws and rules governing the construction industry have occurred. The Enforcement Unit may take actions that include fines and license revocation. This video will outline the process of submitting a complaint to DLI's Enforcement Unit. DLI has enforcement authority over regulated industries and those offering or performing work that requires a license from DLI. DLI cannot make determinations regarding factual or contractual disputes, cancel contracts, or compel a contractor to pay damages. These remedies would require private action in civil court. Further, DLI cannot enforce claims of poor workmanship or rude behavior and cannot lift or make determinations relative to mechanics' liens. A complaint can be submitted via a paper form or online in IMS, the agency's licensing and enforcement system. If you wish to submit your complaint in IMS, please view the video submitting a complaint. If you choose a paper form, they can be found at the website listed and can be mailed or emailed to the addresses shown. DLI can take several steps of enforcement action against a contractor, including denying, censuring, suspending, or revoking a license, or ordering unlicensed contractors to cease and desist from unlicensed activity. Also, DLI may impose monetary penalties against a contractor. DLI is unable to force a contractor to pay damages or cancel the contract. DLI may not impose any settlements of contractual disputes. When a complaint is received, an investigative file is opened and assigned to an investigator. The complaint is then logged and maintained in an investigative file by DLI. The investigator reviews the submitted documents and performs an investigation into allegations set forth in the complaint. The investigator gathers information and decides if there is sufficient evidence of a violation of law. If so, the investigator recommends the appropriate administrative disciplinary action. If the investigator is unable to prove whether a violation has occurred, the file is closed and the affected parties are notified. During an investigation, DLI may obtain information from a variety of sources. Sworn and unsworn written statements can be requested. Examination of records and files of licensed or unlicensed persons. Review online presence, advertisements, and any other documents discoverable. DLI may issue orders to appear and may issue subpoenas or require sworn statements from the parties or witnesses. DLI may conclude investigations by issuing licensing or administrative orders, but may also enter into a consent order. A consent order is a written agreement voluntarily entered into by the respondent and the department in which the respondent agrees to the terms set forth. If there is no agreement, the respondent may request a hearing. If DLI issues a licensing order or an administrative order, the licensee may request a hearing to contest DLI's action.